Welcome to Smart Money, your go-to guide for building wealth and mastering your finances. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're looking to take your money management to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 essential money tips you need to know to build wealth in 2024. These are practical, easy-to-follow tips that anyone can use, no matter where you are in your financial journey. So let's dive in. First up, creating a budget and actually sticking to it. A budget is the foundation of financial success. Without one, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. One of the easiest ways to start is by using the 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. To make budgeting easier, there are some amazing apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB, that help you track your spending and manage your budget in real time. Next up, the importance of building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund gives you financial protection when things don't go as planned. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This will give you peace of mind and prevent you from falling into debt when life throws you a curveball. High-yield savings accounts are a great place to store your emergency fund, earning more interest than a traditional account and keeping your money accessible. Tip number 3. If you have high-interest debt, especially from credit cards, prioritize paying it off. High-interest debt can drain your finances faster than you realize, making it harder to build wealth. 2 popular strategies are the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, and the debt snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first to gain momentum. Now let's talk about investing. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compound interest. Simply put, compound interest is when your earnings generate their own earnings, and the longer you leave your money invested, the bigger that snowball gets. There are many ways to invest: stocks, bonds, index funds, and more. If you're just starting, index funds are a great option. They offer broad market exposure and typically have lower risk than picking individual stocks. And remember, time in the market beats timing the market. The key is to invest consistently, even if it's a small amount each month. Over time, that consistency will pay off. Lastly, let's talk about the power of multiple income streams. Building wealth isn't just about saving, it's about growing your income too. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in dividend stocks, or creating passive income through real estate, having more than one income stream can help you reach your financial goals faster. Think about freelancing, real estate, or even starting a YouTube channel. There are countless ways to diversify your income. The more income streams you have, the more financial security you build. So there you have it, 5 essential tips to start building wealth in 2024. Budgeting, saving, paying off debt, investing, and creating multiple income streams will set you on the path to financial success. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on mastering your money. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of investing. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.